today we're going to be taking a look at the equipment module in Studio Suite. We can sort by manufacturer, model, description, or any of these headers that we have right here. And we can also enter words right here on the search field so they can show up right here on the top. If we click on any of these items, it's going to take us to the detailed view. And here we can assign this piece of equipment to one of our departments or divisions that we can create in Studio Suite. We have room to include a serial number and a barcode, which is pretty important because this allows us to use a laser scanner to perform inventory checks using a barcode system. And of course, there's lots of other information that you can include here. You can create packages so that whenever we book or use this Avalon mic preamp, there's cables included with it, and we can add other items in this package. If you rent your equipment, there's also room here for you to include an unlimited amount of rates. So maybe it's a half-day rate, a weekly rate, daily rate, any of that you can accommodate right here. Here's the event history, where you can see any events where we've used this mic preamp. And we also have the scan manager. So this is what you would do if you're performing an inventory check or perhaps scanning this mic preamp. So we would fill in our name over here. We would say that we're in the equipment room, perhaps. And we can type in that number. So here's the timestamp, time, who did it, and we can add a comment. Looks good. So that's the scan manager feature. You can do the same thing if you were using one of those laser scanners and you were scanning the barcode itself. There's maintenance history over here. If you've changed the tubes on that, or if you want to schedule a repair, you can include that information over here, along with any parts, labor, so you can keep track of those expenses as well. In attachments, we can attach maybe a user manual, so you can troubleshoot your equipment. A receipt could be another useful thing, and you can bring any of those from these sources. Maybe create a Dropbox link to it, or attach an actual file. In WebViewer, you can search for this Avalon mic preamp in any of these websites. So if we go to eBay, it's going to find that 737 on eBay. Going back to Studio Suite, we have connectors and cables, and of course reporting capabilities so that you can get reports on your equipment. And these are some of the categories that we have available. All right, my friends, so I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot us a note. Thanks a lot.